it's important for us to fill in the gaps where, people just don't have the resources that they probably would have had.
Hundreds of medical professionals volunteering their time to treat people who typically don't have access to health care. Good evening and thank you so much for joining us. I'm Amber Grigley. Well, today was the first of 4 days that people took advantage of a free health care clinic at Lucas Oil Stadium. Now, if you are in need of free health care, you still can do so. WRTV's Meredith Hackler talked to some medical professional volunteers there who volunteering their time who say these free appointments are oftentimes the only access certain people have to health care.
According to the U.S. Census Bureau, in 2020, 28 million people did not have health insurance at any point during the year.
The problem with the healthcare in the United States, it's not accessible to everybody. And we have a large number of people who are either uninsured or underinsured. And that's why people don't even go to see a doctor because they're afraid of the bill that can come afterwards, even if they have some type of insurance.
That's where Pathway to Health comes in. They provide free medical, dental, and eye care to people who need it.
We don't check IDs. We don't ask for insurance or any type of form of payments. Everybody is welcome. Everybody who has a need is welcome, whether it's insured, underinsured, or anything like that.
While all of these areas of healthcare are in high demand at the clinic, dental care is often the busiest area.
Emergency rooms are often filled up because of dental needs, dental pain. So if we can alleviate some of those things by doing it right here, we feel that we're being blessed.
This free healthcare clinic was supposed to take place in 2020. Due to COVID-19, it was pushed back to this year. Volunteer medical professionals we talked to say in some patients' cases, their needs have gotten worse due to limited access to healthcare during the pandemic.
Some of these patients come, they haven't had any medical care, or they've waited months or years sometimes to be seen because they're not able to get care. They don't have the financial means to do that.
A big part of this program is working with hospitals in the area to refer patients they treated, something medical professionals say is vital to recovering.
If you don't have the follow-up care to take care of that, we're not able to complete that full circle to take care of the patients.
Completing that circle, as well as making sure everyone has access to health care, is why these medical professionals continue to volunteer their skills to people in need.
Healthcare should be accessible to every American. I think it's just part of who we are as Americans. We're born, we should have an insurance. We should be able to go and see the doctor for our problems.
Working for you, Meredith Hackler, WRTV.
Well, Pathway to Health says they will see roughly 1,000 patients every day the clinic is open. Outside of today, the clinic is taking place Monday through Wednesday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.